Today, I'll show you how to add your logo to Constant Contact. Having your logo displayed prominently in your email campaigns helps to maintain brand consistency and make your communications instantly recognizable. This simple guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can add your logo quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find a profile icon at the top right corner of the home page. Click on this icon to proceed. This is where you'll find access to various account settings and options that we'll need for adding your logo. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the profile icon, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Under Settings, you'll see a section labeled Account Details. Click on Account Details to move forward. This is where all your account-specific information is stored and where we'll be making the changes to include your logo. Now, as you look through the Account Details page, scroll down until you find the section for Signature Image. This is where your logo will be added, allowing it to appear on your emails and other communications. You'll notice an Edit option next to Signature Image. Click on Edit to begin the process of adding your logo. Once you're in the editing section for your signature image, you'll see an option that says Add Image. Click on Add Image to upload your logo. Make sure you have your logo file ready and in a format that's supported by Constant Contact, such as JPEG or PNG. After clicking Add Image, you'll be prompted to choose your logo file from your device. Select the file and upload it to your account. Finally, after your logo is successfully uploaded, make sure to save your changes. You'll find a Save button, typically at the bottom of the page or near the area where you uploaded your image. Click Save to confirm the addition of your logo to your signature image. By saving your changes, your logo will now be integrated into your email signature, enhancing the professional look of your communications. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added your logo to Constant Contact. This enhancement to your email branding will help reinforce your company's identity every time you send out a message. If you ever need to update or change your logo, you can easily follow these steps again. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.